Hello everyone, this is Sai Krishna in Love with Marketing. Today we are going to look into something for people who want to start ABM right from the scratch without any kind of ABM practices have been implemented so far. So the very first thing that you will have to have is your ICP and your work clean data, but don't wait for a perfect ICP and clean data. Start with whatever that you have and they're going to be refined over a period of time. And then once you have this, choose on 50 top key accounts, be it from one or two segments, and the segments kind of could be healthcare, enterprise, manufacturing. Choose these top 50 key accounts based upon your best prospects, best customers that you have served for, so that you'll have more chances of choosing the best segment that you can succeed on. Once you have this target 50 key accounts, allocate a team of one sales development representative and one marketer as well. And once you have it teamed up, then you will have to come to an agreement or commitment in terms of few things like what kind of segments are we going to focus on, what kind of accounts are we going to focus on, what are the parameters or attributes in scoring the accounts, what kind of intent signals are we going to look at, what kind of technological tools are we going to use, what kind of marketing tactics are we going to use, what kind of lead to account mapping methods are we going to use to de-anonymize visitors who are coming to our website, or even what kind of messaging, what kind of customer journey prospects are we going to look at, what kind of resources are we going to bank on in terms of be it messaging, content, be it technological tools, be it people who are on the strategy, or be it who are going to generate reports, analyze them, and also most importantly, what kind of metrics are we going to focus on, track, and then understand if our ABM practice is going in a right manner or not. Once you have got commitment and agreement on all these things, and then based upon the kind of intent signals that we are looking, intent signals could be some organization posting a job opening on a department where your product or service has something to do, or some company participating in an industry event, or some company receiving some kind of fundings, or some company have got someone who have joined into the our company has got, or a company has got someone joined into the organization with a designation who will be your buyer persona as well. So these kind of intent signals, once you decide on what kind of intent signals are you going to bank on, based upon these intent signals you will be getting from third party tools, or even you can do it manually for few of them. Based upon this, you are going to prioritize your top 50 accounts with an scoring, saying that this organization has got two intent signals which are very strong, and another organization has got no intent signals so far for the last 2-3 months, and then you are going to prioritize your accounts. So once this is a continuous process of scoring your accounts, and whenever you find an intent signal or engagement inside, that you will pass it on to your sales team. And then your sales team will do an in-depth research on that account, and then we'll develop an account plan. Once the account planning is done, and then an integrated outreach will be planned in terms of marketing and sales, or sales reach as well. What kind of integrated outreach is like marketing campaigns like email, or retargeting, or be it personalized offers, or sales follow-up from sales team, or connecting over social media like LinkedIn. There are different kind of marketing activities that can be integrated together, and the kind of communication that we're going to come up in this stage is going to be hyper personalized, which are very specific and relevant to them. And then once we are continuously engaging with them, the marketing team has to keep a track on the metrics like qualified leads, qualified meetings, qualified opportunities, and the number of wins, so that we will understand if our IBM approach is absolutely working or not.